So let's address the elephant in the room.
What's the elephant in the room?
You know.
I don't know.
We did not finish Vlogmas. So hear me out.
The way that y'all expected us to finish it.
The way that we said we was gonna do 25 days. We didn't do it. Well, we tried to finish. Y'all, I am 3 months postpartum, so we really are still in the, you know, the baby phase. Being tired, all of that stuff. I'm in school. And so it got to a point where I was like, okay, I gotta pick and choose where I spend my time. So Vlogmas had to go. I had to let it go. I couldn't keep up with the daily editing videos, so maybe we'll try it again next year. I don't know. It just depends. We know what to expect this time.
We should have known when the other vloggers were doing 2 days at a time and combining it, or 3 days at a time.
Well, not everybody. Not everybody did that. There are some people that they'll combine like day 7 through 11, but
the ones
that's
that got
really
a
not.
Schedule. That's what they did.
That's when people get behind and they start doing that. So the ones that keep up, it's individual. Anywho, we'll see if we want to do it next year. But Happy New Year, family. So we're gonna go back. We recorded a little bit of like Christmas. We had some other footage that we just never got a chance to edit. So yeah, Christmas was cool for us. It was really a chill day. That's why we really didn't record that much. Open presents. Then we had some people over. It was just Brie and Davion, if y'all saw them in our other vlog. But yeah, we had planned to like play games and stuff. We didn't do none of that. That's having a baby and the toddler. We didn't get to none of that, which was fine.
We just ate and chilled.
Yeah, it was a chill day.
It is Christmas Eve at the Burns house. We are sitting around here eating some popcorn, doing some activities. Kens, what you got? What's on your head? What's that?
Well,
It's a reindeer, right? Is that a reindeer?
no.
Yeah. Is the popcorn good? Y'all, when Kenzie got food, you know, everything else is irrelevant. Mondukes, what we doing?
Merry Christmas Eve.
What we watching?
I don't know.
You don't know. Supposed to be watching a Christmas movie right now, but we don't know what we're watching. You wanna say hey? You wanna say hey? Chase is a little restless right now, moving around and squirming. Don't want to get put down. So here he is, right here in my hands.
One of a sorting machine, right?
Look at your new chair. From Auntie Kai Kai and DJ and Kaden.
Look, Kenzie.
Want me to hold Sparkle?
She said, "Bubble."
I'll hold Sparkle. Can you sit in your new chair?
Yeah.
Let me see you get in it.
Whoa.
Hey.
Look
Look at your chair.
And the unicorn chair.
It's a unicorn chair.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can read your books in your chair. You gonna open your gifts?
Yeah.
What's you gonna open? Let's see. I'll give you your gifts. I'll give your gifts to you.
That's Chase's toy. You gonna keep playing with it? Yeah, she is obsessed with this toy. Mondukes, what you doing? She's trying to put together this baby bed without instructions, y'all. I said, go ahead.
I don't need no instructions.
No instructions. Okay, you bad. You bad.
Yeah, there we go.
No instructions. No instructions.
Where's the rest? Okay, we might need instructions for this part.
Oh, now you need instructions.
Hey, Dad.
What's poppin'?
What's going on?
I am trying to cook fish and take care of a toddler at the same time. So it's great.
He has plenty of time to cook the fish.
Great. I'm good. Everything's straight.
We're opening Kinsley's gift. She's opening everything. Oh, I decorated Kinsley's door. She had a cute little snowman themed door. Hey y'all, so it is time to decorate Kinsley's door. I already cut out all the little pieces I needed. She's down for her nap now. I was gonna do this at night, but I didn't feel like it last night, so I'm gonna do it during her nap, which will be better because I can catch her reaction. In the mornings when she wakes up, she just comes in our room, but I usually go and get her from her nap, so that'll be good so I can catch her reaction. But I showed y'all the little inspo pic. Y'all can see that. So all the pieces are cut out. I got, so you see how they have like the little scarf. I got some ribbon, some red ribbon, and then I got some garland to go around the frame of her door. So yeah, it'll just be something cute. She can leave it up. Well, I'll leave it up until Christmas, probably a couple days after Christmas, because her birthday is the 29th. So I'll leave it up a couple days after Christmas, and then I'll take it down because I'm gonna decorate her door, probably just streamers for her birthday. But anywho, we're gonna go upstairs. I'm gonna try to do this as quietly as possible so she doesn't wake up. She shouldn't wake up. Hopefully she doesn't wake up. The door, it's so cute. I think she's gonna love it, so I'll probably come back when she wakes up so I can show y'all her reaction. Do you like the snowman on your door?
Yeah.
Yeah. You excited?
Yeah.
You see that snowman? I love it. There's a snowman on your door. What are those? He has buttons?
They got
and a scarf.
Maya and the nose and eyes.
Yeah, it has a smile and a nose and the eyes.
How many buttons does your snowman have on his tummy? Count.
1, 2, 3.
Oh.
What else have y'all been missing? Her birthday. We have a 3-year-old now. So I initially said that I wasn't gonna throw her a party, but that day ended up being free for us. So I got like some little decorations off of Amazon. So we had a little dinosaur themed party at the house. We had a few kids over and she had a great time. So I'm glad that I did it. The kids played dinosaur, or not played, they did dinosaur activities, ate pizza, did cupcakes, and they just kind of played around with her toys. So that was a success. I'm glad that I ended up doing that for the memories and everything.
get the point.
Please. Yeah, now we're in the new year. We did nothing. We went to church for New Year's Eve, and that's it, right? That's pretty much all they missed.
Yeah, they didn't miss much.
Y'all didn't miss much, but the elephant in the room is we did not finish vlogs. It's okay though. Sometimes when life gets stressful, you gotta pick and choose what you can handle instead of trying to put so much on your plate. And I had way too much on my plate.
Yeah.
Towards the end, but we started off strong. We started off real strong. So we're just gonna hang out with y'all today. It's a rainy day, if you can hear the rain in the background. Kinsley's going to gymnastics. We're on the way to gymnastics now. We have a birthday party to go to later. And yeah, we'll see. We'll see what we get into. Probably nothing because it's raining. I wanted to do Kinsley's hair. So we'll see if we get to that at some point today or tomorrow. It's gotta be this weekend. We've been pushing it off. She won't let me wash her hair by myself. She throws a fit and I'm tired of dealing with it, so calling in reinforcement. I'm calling it help because it's ridiculous. It's like, come on girl, I can't even wash her hair. She was throwing a fit, so I was like, yeah, no, we're not doing this. It's empty.
Yeah.
What time is it? Oh, it's 8:54.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
empty. Yeah.
Mama, here.
Yeah. Yeah, so we'll pick back up the camera and we'll talk to you guys after gymnastics. Okay, I think we gotta start right here.
How's it thing?
Okay, so I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna spin it. Look, I'm gonna spin it and we're gonna lay it on the color. So you're gonna move to the color I tell you, and if you get whatever spot you land on, you have to act like the animal that you're standing on, okay? Okay, so we gotta come over here. I'll let you go first. Stay right here. Okay, you wanna spin it? Oh, spin it hard. There you go. Oh, wait, try it again. Okay, let's see what it lands on. It's blue, so you gotta move to blue. Where's blue? Good job. What animal is that?
Lion.
Okay, you gotta act like a lion. Rawr. Okay, now mommy's gonna go. That's gonna go. Green. So I have to move to green. This is an elephant. What sound does the elephant make? Green. Okay, you gotta move to the next green. You gotta keep walking on the path until you go to the next green. What? Oh. What animal is that?
Giraffe.
Okay, you gotta act like a giraffe. How do you act like a giraffe?
Well, you raise your hand up. There you go.
Okay, there you go. Negative one space. Okay, I guess Kinsley about to win. Kinsley, you gotta stay on your spot. Here. Okay, you got red. You gotta move to the red. What animal is that?
Elephant.
You gotta act like an elephant.
With a long, there you go, with a long trunk.
That's the trunk.
There you go.
How do I keep getting it?
Mama trash.
Okay, go to yellow. Ooh, she about to win. She about to beat me. Hey. Okay, you gotta stand on the elephant. Now you gotta go to the yellow spot. Where's the yellow spot? What is that?
What's up, Chase?
Okay, you gotta act like
Chase.
a giraffe. Act like a giraffe. Act like a giraffe.
Chase,
Talk,
you ain't gonna say nothing to the camera?
Okay, here we go. Okay, I got red. Okay, here you go. Let's see if you're gonna win. Animal move. What does that mean? Oh, all players must act like with the animal. She on the giraffe. Okay, you gotta act like a giraffe. And I gotta act like a lion. Kenzie, you always.
Kenzie, you supposed to act like
staying
a.
on her spot. Okay,
Really?
green. I got green. Stay on your yellow. You gotta stay. Yo, you gotta stay on your yellow. Yep. Oh. You okay?
Yellow.
Here. All right.
Yellow.
No, right here. Yellow. Okay, here.
Yellow.
Okay, you gotta spin it. Animal. Oh. Okay, spin it again.
Chase just wanted to say hey.
Spin it one more time.
You gonna say hey, Chase? Say hey. What you doing, man?
Okay, you keep getting animal.
What you doing?
Stop. Oh. All right. Okay, you gotta go right here.
You
Go right
winning.
Here. Yeah, I got switch spots, so now I'm winning.
Oh, you switched spots.
Yeah, it says switch spots.
Say boo.
Kinsley, you gotta stay on your elephant.
Boo.
How are you gonna talk to play this game? Okay. Go over here.
Yeah.
Okay, here, you gotta spin it. Spin it. Spin it. Okay, we gonna play the other side. You wanna play the other side? Okay.
Let's flip it.
You gotta put a hand on the green and a hand on the yellow, okay? Hand on the green. Hand on the yellow. Alright.
Now what? Spin it?
Yep.
Yellow.
What? You gotta look at the corners.
Oh,
The hand
foot.
foot. Okay, you gotta put your foot on the yellow.
Yellow
Put your
foot.
foot on the yellow. Okay, you can't fall over, okay?
Hand on green.
Oh, we already got a hand on green.
Yellow foot again.
Oh, wait. You said foot?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna choose an elephant.
Ooh, foot on
Woo.
red.
Foot on red. I got a monkey. What animal you got, Kinsley?
Lion.
Ooh, you gotta have a foot on a dog.
On the dog. Okay. Woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof.
Ooh, and you gotta have foot back on the elephant. Mama gonna be so happy. Ooh, yeller foot. Yeller foot.
Yellow foot. Okay. Whoa. Oh gosh. I should have did a little workout before I started this. Oh man. Oh. Okay, mom needs a break. Oh. Oh, Twister ain't no joke. I forgot how Twister is.
Okay, let's go. I'm ready. Let's go.
Foot on red. You gotta make the animal sounds. Okay, fine. You gotta put a foot on an elephant.
Oh, let's go.
Foot on red, foot on elephant.
Come on, man. Y'all know what we got going on. This open mic night real quick. Me and Ken's on the mics. Gonna bring a song to y'all that we love to do. You ready, Ken's? Let's do it. Come on. Oh, come on. Yeah. Alright, let's go. You ready?
No.
Oh. Okay. Yeah. What? Yeah. Out of straw. Out of stick. What? Out of brick.
The very next day,
What?
the big bad wolf, who was hungry and was ready to eat.
Ready to eat.
He saw the first pig in the house of straw.
Okay.
Found me a real nice tree.
Ooh. He said, little pig, let me in. Go again. What? Little pig, let me in. Come on. Yeah, chitty chitty. Okay.
I'll puff,
And puff,
I'll puff,
and puff,
I'll puff.
and I'll blow your house down. What? Come on. And puff, puff, and puff.
Hey, we're playing hide and seek. We're playing hide and seek. Go, Kinsley, go, go, go. Go, Kinsley, go, go, go. Go, Kinsley, go. Go, go, Kinsley, go. Oh, Kinsley, Kinsley.
I smell somebody.
Shh, Chase, you gonna give away our hiding spot.
Not in there. There you go. I found you. Really? gonna go hide. I want hide downstairs.
Okay.
No, you gotta count to 10.
You have next time.
Okay. Count. Start counting.